Welcome to AutoCAD training courses. I am show you the best way for learning AutoCAD 2022 and AutoCAD 2021. 505 video lessons plus exercise files. For beginner and professional. ProLearningExperts.com. Learning AutoCAD 2022, AutoCAD 2021, tips and tricks and much more. Take your CAD skills up a notch. Work smarter, not harder, with AutoCAD. Learn how to use AutoCAD features in exciting new ways, customize the workspace and shortcuts to save time, create more accurate drawings with the measurement and organization tools, and more. When you wrap up these courses, you'll be prepared to use AutoCAD competently in architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, or product design. Watch, listen, practice, learn. Learn anywhere. Switch between your computer, tablet, or TV. Practice while you learn with exercise files. Lifetime access. No subscription needed. All courses without a sponsored ads. Expert teachers. Special deal for you. See how it works. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel plus like this video and you will get 40% to 50% off for the courses. Subscribe plus like equals 40% to 50% off. ProLearningExperts.com. Click on pause button and read the full video description. On computer, you just have to click on the show more link. On mobile, you just have to click on the video title.